All right, we are back. Guys, we're back on YouTube, everybody. I fixed it. Let's make it happen. Come back. Let's see how you guys are doing over here. All right, guys, try it now. Check it out now, guys. Professor needs to listen. A little baby, get out of here. All right, market cycles. All right, guys, jump over to YouTube because I won't be able to see your questions. Jump over to YouTube. Let's start. We're gonna start the lesson. I want to be able to see all of your questions. So let's get over there. Let's go. All right, let's turn the music down. Let's start the lesson off. All right, people, hit me with the questions. Let's start the questions. Connection is good. All right, chat is gone. All right, guys, let's start it off. Let's start answering question number 1. Market cycles. What is it? Tell me in the comment section. Again, guys on IG, we're simulcasting. If you want me to answer your questions, jump on to YouTube so I can answer them because I won't be able to see them here. So jump over there. All right, guys, let's start. What is it? What is a market cycle? Let's go. Kyle's in the building. What's up, Kyle? Ruben, Charles, Tracy. What's up, people? Salo, Sophie. Let's make it happen. Little baby next time. Matthew, stop it with little baby. Stop it. Get serious. Get serious. Don't be crazy over there. Boom, we're back. It's sector rotation or something like that. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, that's a little bit of it. Let's keep it going. Ren says that. What else? Trend patterns. Okay, keep it going, Mr. Torres. What else? What else? What else? Ruben, I said, what's up, baby boy? Let's go. Let's go. Market cycles. Let's go. Accumulation, participation, distribution, fade. Wow, Tracy. Tracy, have you been reading book number 2? Link is in my bio. A market cycle is the different fluctuations stock goes through depending on the selling and buying balance of power. Very good, Zohir. That's a new person. Never seen him before. Nice. Good. All right, let's do question number 2. How can we have an advantage by learning about the market cycles? Let's go. Market cycle equals business cycle? No, naive? No, I don't know what you're talking about over there. People, I can't see your IG comments. Yes, I'm here right now. Go on YouTube. I said this to you guys. David, move over. Guys, everyone, jump over to YouTube. I can't see your comments here. My TV and everything's connected to YouTube. Let's go. Andrea, move over to YouTube, baby girl. Everybody, move over. I'm going to see your questions. All right. Moving the money, market cycle, overall trend of the market. That's something else, Ruben, but we're going to talk about that too. It's me, Mr. Z. Oh, Zohir, you're Mr. Z. Okay, got you. Momentum, you can better predict where the price will go. Trying. Market cycle, show us when to buy and sell. We can be ready to move if it's buying or selling time. Okay, David, move over. Very good. Everybody, move over. Move over. All right, so let's get into it. What I'm about to show you are the stages, the 4 stages. Let's get into it. No, I can do it better than that. I can do it better than that. Let me use different colors. All right, guys, I'm gonna draw out the chart, get a pen and paper, and write things down. Let's go. I'm gonna draw this whole thing out properly. Alright, guys, draw this in your notebooks. I'm gonna move out the way. Draw this in your notebooks. Go ahead. Let's see what's happening on Instagram. I'll give you guys 1 minute. Draw this. Draw this out. People on IG, if you are not on YouTube, jump over. You can ask your questions there. Fabio, forget about FBA Amazon, bro. Forget about that. Wow, the IG comments are dead. I've never seen it like that. It's crazy. It looks so crazy. I love it. No worries, Fabio. You got it. Poor Fabio and his FBA Amazon. Oh my god, this is the Marcus Stages example of my ex's mood swings. Yo, it's Tuesday. We here. What's up, everybody? Bryce is in the building. Yo, you guys are funny. You guys are funny. All right, let's go. Let's get into it. It's like we're like a family at dinner, right? Like everyone has fun. We learn. We have a good time. I love it. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get serious. Let's go. So you got the 4 stages of the market. Again, this overly applies to when stocks are prime. I'm talking about looking at it on the daily chart, looking at it on the weekly chart. So boom, right? Let's get it. Stage 1, consolidation. No one really pays attention to this because at stage 1, it has low volume. It has low volume. No one really cares. Stage 2. You know who gets into here? Let me tell you in the comments. Who is the first one? And I got examples to show you with the charts, breaking it all down. Who gets in here? Let me know in the comments. Who are the people that get into this, by the way? Let me know. Again, I gotta pin the comment that we're on IG. I mean, we're on YouTube if somebody comes in late. Let me pin that. All right, I pinned it. What consolidates the most? Comments always. The 4 seasons, the public. Not the public. Very good, Dennis. Hedge funds, institutions. No, not retail. No, it's institutions. Hedge funds, get in here. Let me start changing colors around. Big banks, JP Morgan, all the characters that have the inside information, they get into it first. So AA said Wall Street bets. And then people like us, retail traders that we're called, we get in around here. We get in around here. Now, who are the ones that get in around here? Who gets in around there? Let me know in the comments. Chris says swing traders. Book 2 says big guys get in at consolidation though. Yeah, Andrea, they get in here as well. They wait for that breakout and they go heavy. Yes, they're accumulating. But Institute would get in at consolidation. They're smarter. Yeah, Sophie, 100%. 100%. Noobs. No, Z, don't say losers. That's not nice. People that don't know what they're doing. Yes, Sophie. FOMO. Blaine. Yes. That's it right there. Mainly FOMO. People that saw this and said, I want it. And the institution and the banks, they're ready to dump. Who is in this? Who is in the fall? That stage. Who's in stage 4? Who's in stage 4? People not late to the party. Is this like a daily stage? Like, does this stage happen on every day? Shannon, I'll tell you that later. Let's just break down the chart first. I'll show you that later. Stock only goes up, right? Keep going. Baggers, very good, Christian. Yes. Bag holders. AKA Danny No Kizzy. Danny with his penny stocks over there. If you're watching, Danny. I don't know if you're on YouTube or IG. But people on, again, if you're on IG right now, I can't see your comments. Jump over to YouTube, guys. Suicidals. And short sellers. Very good. Very good, guys. Short sellers, hedge funds, institutions, JP Morgan, the big bank guys. They're shorting the life out of it. They make a fortune as it goes up. They make a fortune as it goes down. The power to short. Don't ask me for karaoke, ladies and gentlemen. Karaoke's not happening. I'm warning everybody right now. The 100 people watching, I think there's 100 people watching. I don't know what's going on. But no karaoke. Don't even ask for karaoke. Point being, they make a fortune on the up and on the accumulation and on the downfall. And then this cycle happens all over again. Those are the 4 stages of the market, and it always works out like this. Well, no, I should never say always. There's no such thing as always in life. Most of the time. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. And then it starts all over again. So we're going to go deeper into this, by the way. The lesson just started for those people coming in late. Wait, why are you guys saying 100? I will still ask. Yeah, right. Yeah, karaoke. There you go. Please not. David, there's no karaoke. You're good. Didn't even get the chance to ask, though. Richard is on IG. Let's go. Karaoke. Richard's on live? What? Richard, jump on the live. I'm just here. Richard Garcia. Yo, that comment you said is hysterical. I'm just here. Guys, we're going to take... I'm on YouTube live. Oh, hold on, Rich. Guys, we're just going to pause for a few. Richard's on the Instagram, so just pause a little bit. We'll come back to the lesson. I love the comment, Rich, that you said, I'm just here to learn how to use the smartboard. Dude,
you make that thing look so easy.
Baby boy, I've been doing this for 8 years, Rich.
Guy goes over here and just makes it look easy for all of us.
Listen, thank God. I got to say this. When I became a teacher 8 years ago, I thank God they had smartboards. Because remember in school, Rich, when we were younger, because we're like roughly the same age, chalkboards, every time the teacher said go write on the board, my fingers were burned because the chalk had some kind of chemical in there. And literally, thank God for this, because I don't have to hold chalk. Because at 16, I said I want to be a teacher, but I don't know how I'm going to ever hold chalk. But thank God, this technology, man. Thank God. Listen, I'm going to be bringing my computer. I bought a whole bunch of kit to bring this over to Puerto Rico. I'll be going there soon with a whole bunch of traders. And we got a drone. We're going to film content, Rich. It'll be a good time.
Yo, I'm ready. I'm waiting for you.
You're waiting. Rich, But we talked about this. Val had surgery. You don't need my loud ass running around. Val needs peace and quiet for 2 months, not me around. I can tell you that.
Hey, what you guys learning today, bro?
We're learning about the market cycles, the 4 stages, the market cycle, Rich. And basically, where the hedge funds get in, where the banks, where you used to work at the bank, you know what I'm talking about. Then the retail traders, then the FOMO people at stage 3, and then at stage 4, the bag holders. Hedge funds are shorting it. The bag holders are like, it's eventually going to go up, and then they take massive losses on it. That's what we're talking about.
Okay, anything I can throw in there?
Rich, of course, you were part of this world. Whatever you want to add, you tell me, I'll add it. Again, everyone, we're on YouTube Live, Day Trade Professor. You guys should be we're simulcasting the show right now. So again, Rich is going to talk. I know you guys on YouTube can't hear Rich. My apologies. So just have it multicasting. That's all you should do. Go ahead, Rich. Whatever you want to add, tell me. You know about the 4 stages of the market. Give me some insight that you would know because you work there, Rich. How did they know that this stock was going to go, Rich? How about that? Share that insight with us.
Okay, so most times when a stock is gonna rally of some sort before, so let me explain to you how it works. There's things that are in that are on the New York Stock Exchange. Like for example, there's platforms that are called Bloomberg terminals. There's other platforms that are called what's it called? Morningstar. So there's Morningstar. There's Bloomberg. Hold on a second. Let me just fix this shit. So Morningstar and Bloomberg terminals are basically terminals you can use to input data, review data on companies. It's like an internal tool that these investor, hedge fund managers, large institutional traders, they use this platform called Morningstar or Bloomberg terminal to communicate with one another
Rich, you there?
about yeah.
Oh, you're breaking up, Rich.
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Rich, of course, we don't have access to this. There's no way we can get access to that, right? Rich? I think we lost him.
So there is ways to get access to it. So
Rich, your connection is horrible, baby boy. You're completely like pixelated.
completely pixelated.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah, and you're getting into some really good stuff to add on to my lesson for tonight. Okay, you're getting better. Now you're getting better, Rich. Don't move. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, cool. All right, ready?
Yeah, ready, Rich.
All right. So there's something called Morningstar and there's something called a Bloomberg terminal, right? Morningstar is a data-oriented internal platform, right? And basically, what you do is you're able to submit information. You can submit information onto Morningstar, and Morningstar, what it does is it pulls in all of this data and basically creates like an internal investment profile, as you will, for these companies. So that's the first thing, right? The second terminal it's called the Bloomberg terminal or Bloomberg station. It's very you could buy this and you could have it at home. It's very expensive
How much is it?
and
How much is it?
it's thousands of dollars. Like to install a Bloomberg terminal, basically what you're doing is you're installing in essence you're installing an ultra high frequency trading platform that has raw data that's coming in real time from every single company in the Bloomberg terminal. So
No wonder they get into stage 1. They have it before anybody else. It's like cheating, Rich.
dude, they have it hours before it even hits CNBC, bro.
And that's where that pump comes in. That pump is all of the hedge funds, the big banks. That's them doing the pump.
Yeah. So that's why when
God damn, 24K.
Minimum you're paying there is like 50 racks just for that platform.
God damn.
Right?
But Rich, we can make that back in like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I mean, if you know if you have insider info like that, then yeah, for sure. I mean, these platforms are extremely detailed with um, like for example, when you go on like let's say you go on Yahoo or you go on whatever any of these other like StockTwits, even TradingView gives you like these recommendations. The recommendations they're giving you, they work. Like, don't get me wrong, StockTwits' recommendations are strong, but they're based off of their data. They're basing the decisions of those platforms and those investments based off of the data that's on their website. So StockTwits is basing a buy or sell rating off of the data from their website.
So it's all really coming from here.
It's all coming from there. Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. When you work with Mark, Mark knows like intense about this, like everything, like detail. If I wanted to sign up and get all this, like he would know, right?
Yeah, anybody that works as a professional trader, this is a tool that professional traders use.
All right, because I'm going to be going to Tampa in a few weeks, and I'm going to see Mark. I'll be at the hedge fund, and I invited you. I know Val had surgery, but if you ever want to come, Rich, I'll be there. I'll send you the details. I might get this because I'm going to also, like I told you, build my school in Puerto Rico and have my house there. I might as well get this when traders come and stay. So let's see. You know what? This is something I'm going to look into.
I think the only thing is that if you're gonna have those, you need fiber optic connections.
I'll get it, baby boy. I'll get it.
All right.
Yeah.
You get it. Yo, let me. I don't want to interrupt you on your session, bro. Finish your session. I'm gonna be jumping on live in a little bit too. So, when does your session finish?
Whenever their questions stop, I get off the live, Rich. So let's say, Rich, 40 minutes. I'll be done.
All right. I'll see you guys all soon.
Thank you, Rich. Thank you.
Later, bro.
Later. All right, guys, jump back over to YouTube Live, Day Trade Professor. Jump back. Let's continue the lesson. And then after we're done, we'll jump over to Richard's. And Rich will talk about, I'm assuming, cryptocurrency. That's like the biggest popping thing right now. And yeah. So again, everyone, jump back on YouTube Live. Let's continue the lesson. Let's break it down further. We'll go deeper into chart analysis. So once the numbers are up on the YouTube Live, we will continue. So I'll wait for you guys to jump over because I can't see questions on IG. I can only see questions on YouTube. So again, market cycles. Let's go, people. Jump back on. Jump back on. Stella, but there's 300 people here. Yes, Stella, but I can't see the comments. Stella, that's the problem. I can't see the comments. Everyone, jump on YouTube Live. Jump on YouTube Live. Let's continue the market stages lesson. Let's make it happen. All right, let's go. All right, you guys are back. All right, let's go. Sophie or my other people, my Sophie's my TA, please help out if anybody on IG is asking questions. Just tell them to move over to YouTube. So let's continue, guys. Let's come back. Let's continue what we were saying. Stage 1, to review, institutionals, hedge funds, big banks. Stage 1 and stage 2 at this point. Stage 2, retail, people like us. Stage 3, FOMO. They don't know any better. They're like, oh my God, look how much it's gone up. Let me get in. And then bag holders, as the collapse happens and hedge funds and banks are shorting it all the way down and the cycle starts all over again. So that's basically the 4 stages of the market. Now, any questions? I'm going to show you charts now. Let's pull up tickers. We'll even look at cryptocurrencies because after this, we'll jump on Richard's live. We'll let Richard go live. So we'll make it happen like that. Professor, can you make a video on how to start a trade? Yeah, it's on my YouTube channel, bro. It's in my YouTube, Day Trade Professor. I made a video on how to start trading. I made a video on all of that. Go through my content. It's all there. It's all there. Guys, any questions about this? Because I'm going to move over to the charts and we'll break down charts. Stage 4 is when Richard and Professor sells. Short it, Ruben. We short it then. That's what we do. Any questions about what's behind me, and I'll move on. Again, if anyone's asking questions there, guys, I can't see them. Ask them on YouTube, and I'll answer everybody's questions. Like I told Rich, I don't leave until the questions are over. That's when I end my lesson. Any questions? I'll wait 10 seconds, and then we will jump on to the charts. We'll do straight chart analysis. All right, here are the questions. Professor, I have a question. I live in France and I can't really follow all your live session. Would it be possible to join the group with Richard as I tuned in? Yeah, bro. Link is in my bio to the day trade group. There you go. Professor, so y'all keep the stuff you bought, but shorts. Huh? Dre, rewrite that question. Z, are you saying retail traders are always late to the party? Not always late, but yes. Usually we are late to the party. Yes. We have a French person, okay. Short sell. Dre, ask the question again. How to identify stage 2? Visual, stage 2. The upwards trend. Upwards trend, the volume. I'll show you some examples. Visual. How do we Morningstar for DTT? I have to look into that, David. I didn't even know about Morningstar. Dre, they aren't holding, they're scalping. What is the best staking site? Jordan, we're not talking about staking right now. Also, from the stage of the market, does the market rotation affect day trading much? So, Chris, great question. For people like us traders, this doesn't affect us whatsoever. Because we can trade in between everything. If you watched all my content, you guys know this already. You can trade in between all of that. So, honestly, this doesn't affect us at all. This is mainly, again, for those of you, long-term investment portfolios, swing traders, keep this cycle in mind. Consolidation, upwards, downtrend, consolidation. Keep this cycle in mind. This will help your portfolios, your swing trades go much better. Keep that in mind, all right? And I'll show you examples once the questions are done. Let's see, Professor, my trades got much better after listening to your free lessons. Thank you, man. You're most welcome, Ahmed. Thank you. I appreciate you saying that. Okay, so on stage 2, you don't sell the stuff you bought on stage 1.5. You short sell on stage 3. No, you short sell at stage 4. This is where you short sell. This, you can just ride the trades, but you short sell here. Casually late, Professor. I see, Mark. At what time frames can you see the stages? I'm going to show you right now, Ren. So this is by looking at the week. Tony, I'm going to show you that right now. Like what you bought for a long-term method short sell when it goes down. Like keeping what you bought for a long-term but short sell when it goes down. That's what you do on stage 3. Stage 4. You can sell anywhere, your long-term portfolio. And then as it goes down, you can short it all the way down. And then when it starts consolidating. I'll show you guys an example. Oh, just wanted to confirm. Is the SPY in stage 3? Tracy, I'll look at it. How do you identify the lower points in real time? All right, let's look at it. Let's look at the charts now. I think we'll look at Bitcoin as an example. All right, guys. So the chart I have up right now is BTC, USD, Bitcoin, and we could just look at it, right? It's on the daily chart, by the way. It's on the daily chart. Tell me that doesn't right there. Look at that right there, guys. That is right there. We're looking at BTC. Bitcoin. Daily chart. Explain what's short selling. Short selling is making money, crazy greats. When the stock goes down, you make money. That's what it is. And how do you do it? You have to have a margin account. You have to have a margin account. So this is the BTC chart, basically. So, Professor, can you step aside real quick? Peeps want to take a screenshot. Go ahead, guys. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. All right, there you go. So, perfect example. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I'll show you more examples, guys. I'll show you more examples. Basically, understand this. You always, for those asking, Professor, how do we see it? If you want the safest entry on whatever ticker it is, you want the safest entry, wait. Wait for the break of the trend. Once the trend breaks, you can ride it. Once you start seeing it consolidating, get the hell out. Let me talk to you guys that are watching. How many of you, tell me in the comment section, trade crypto because it's 24/7. So it's a different story with stocks, right? Stocks close at 4, after hours close at 8 p.m. How many of you is this? I got so many questions. Guys, you're asking a lot of questions. I'm going to answer them, but I'm trying to teach at the same time. So I forgot. I lost track of what I was saying. Too many questions. So let me start answering. So right now, stage 1 is going to be stage 2. Right now, it's in stage 1, correct. Then stage 2 comes. Prime for the next takeoff. Yes. Oh my God, too many. Guys, if I don't answer your question, just ask it again. So we are viewing daily chart? Yes, daily chart. Request for snapshot. I moved already, Jen. How many times you want me to move? How do you recommend getting a margin account? Your brokerage account. It tells you it has settings there. So you need a margin account to make money off the downtrend. Dylan, to short, you need a margin account. Is this on every stock? Yes. Although Bitcoin was the retail investor got stage 1. Is this the Forex? Yes. Arian, this works for Forex as well. Can you link TradingView with Webull? No, Christian, you can't do that. Is it a good idea to invest in stage 4? I guess yes. Stage 4? Very risky. Stage 4 is because you don't know how far the downtrend can go. Don't do that. Very dangerous. Let's see, MRO. I got you. Once it goes through stage 4, does it repeat? Yes. AA, the cycles repeat. Cycles repeat constantly. I have tried day trading crypto and it was exhausting. Yeah, mentally. It's 24/7. Who trades crypto? That's where you left off. Who trades crypto? Got you. Thank you, bro. Does it always follow the sequence? Yes. You guys are asking the same questions. Professor, are the 4 stages the same thing as Wycliffe distribution? Yes. It's similar, Tony. It's similar. Yes. Oh, mother of God. Are the stages always the same? Like, yes. Sometimes, Ren, it's not perfect, but it is majority of the time. Yes, nothing is perfect. You can short with, I don't know anything about options, John. Which time frame do you trade off of? I use 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. You can also trade inverse ETFs. Yes, you can trade inverse ETFs. That happens in how much time? Carlos, I don't know what that means. Never thought about day trading crypto. I'll study it tomorrow. All my content is free, guys. Just check it out. Renakin, how do we know the flat part after stage? How do we know the flat part after stage 2 and from 4? Because this is called consolidation. Right here. It starts going sideways. Or they call it consolidation. That's how you know. You create, again, a lot of this is foundation around trend lines. You have to learn how to master, again, all these videos for free in my YouTube playlist. It's all there. Beginner, intermediate, professional. There you go. That's what it is. So, let's look at another example. I think somebody said MRO. We could look at MRO, my ticker. We're on the daily chart. All right. MRO. We have to figure out what's going on right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, but an anomaly happened right here. This is an anomaly. This is a very rare event. It got pumped massively to the upside. But it should come down. But let's see what happens. Because it's oil. And Democrats' oil barrel is going off the charts. It's at the 52-week high right now. I think it's $72 per barrel. I think it's going to keep going up. So this is an anomaly. But this is the stage on MRO right now. It should come down, but it's not coming down. Because again, oil prices are going to go up because the Democrats, you know what they're doing. So this is where it is right now. Guys, give me some tickers. We'll look at some. Give me, what time is it? We're good on time because I promised Rich by like 10:15, 10:20 because he wants to go live. Give me some tickers. Oh my God, so many questions. This is the day I feared, where there'll be so many I won't be able to see all of them. God damn. Okay, let me try to get to them. Does it ever go out of order, Stella? Very rare. Very rare. Thank you, Professor Eddie. Who's Eddie? What are we talking about? Oh, Mom, don't broke. What? Does this trend happen every single day? Or how long did it take? No, the trend doesn't have trade. The trend doesn't happen every day. The trends are set. You just have to find them and ride it in between. If we're talking straight trading, that's what that is. Straight trading. Remember, I'm a trader. Keep that in mind, not an investor. All right, Jivo. Okay, we could look at Jivo. I like Jivo. I made good money off of Jivo. There you go, guys. This is the Jivo chart. So there you go. I'll move out the way, then I'll show you more. Guys, I can't see anything you guys are saying. You got to move over to YouTube. Day Trade Professor, guys. I want to answer everybody's question. Johnny, jump over. Johnny Simpson, jump over, bro. Ruben, jump over. Tony Columbia. Don Chandu. Aziz, guys, jump over. Day Trade Professor YouTube link is in my bio. I'm trying to answer everybody's question. All right, let's go. Can these stages work on smaller time frames? Yes, but once you understand Mars, it's called a top-down approach. Once you understand the bigger time frames, you'll know where the short time frames are moving. Keep that in mind. As a trader, do you a lot of fundamental analysis of the company, or is that irrelevant? Raphael, that's irrelevant. Straight technical analysis. Do these stages even matter while scalping? Scala, Tracy, I got you with SPY next. Scala, yes. Wait, where'd it go? Do these stages even matter? Yes, they matter because if you're trading an uptrend, you'll have better days. So let's see. Let's look at Jivo right now. Ladies and gentlemen, question. Jivo, what stage is it in? Tell me right now. Tell me in the comment section. Everybody, let's go. What stage, this microphone, I feel like a MC right now. What stage is Jivo in, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go. Time for me to sleep. Thank you again. I will join the group. Have a nice day. All right, bro. Have a good night. Hey, Professor, I always find the right setup, and I'm sure 60% stuck. I will break out and run, but my problem, I hesitate to enter and unlock profits too soon. Only this week I missed more. Mazin, that means you don't trust yourself, bro. Your mindset. DM me. You should come to my virtual seminar. I do this for like 4 days, once a month. Stage one, So, Professor, right now, Jivo, after the fourth stage, the tickers continually consolidate. Stage one. Duh, very good, guys. Very good. Jivo is in stage one. Jivo is, look at all the comment section. I love it. Again, if you're commenting on IG, I cannot see you guys' comments. Please jump over to YouTube. So I'm assuming swing traders will get in on the beginning of stage two for optimal profit. Thank you, Jen. Stage one. Ms. Guzman is in the building. Wow, Ms. Guzman. Professor's calling Jivo to the stage. Jivo to the stage, please. Let's make my traders a lot of money. Jivo to the stage. So let's look at it, everybody, right? Yo, I like the microphone. One of the members actually DM'd me, like, Professor, do you feel like you were made to do this? Like social media? I said, not the social media part, but teaching, I was born. My God-given gift is teaching. Hands down. Social media? God, no. I am not a social media person whatsoever. Virtual seminar, yeah. Just DM me, seminar ready. I'll send you the information. It's a 4-day, 20+ hour event where I teach all of everything. Like my syllabus is insanity. All right, let's go. That's what's coming. Boom. Boom. Now, let me show you. This is going to, remember, a lot of my students are in the comment section. It's really loud when you put the mic there. It's loud right now? Is it loud now? I'll move it further. Let me know. I'm swinging Jivo and I'm averaging down there. Guzman, what is your price of Jivo? I'll see you in Puerto Rico, baby girl. Is Jivo repeating stage one right now? But how do you predict at what price point each stage will happen? Andrea, that's where support, resistance, and trend line comes to play. And prior history. Knowing that it's hit this. Look at this level. You have to keep in mind. Once it breaks through this, next level, it could keep going. Once it breaks, consolidate. Once you see it start consolidating, you can get out. Again, we're traders. You have to differentiate between trading and investing. Again, keep that in mind. Trading, I'm a trader. Day trade professor. We're not talking about investing. If you want to invest, you get in, get out. Always get out at stage 3. Always get out. And then once you start seeing it go down, you can short the bad boy down. Boom. But again, for traders, all you need to really understand is this. Called the uptrend. That's all you truly need to understand is the uptrend. There you go. All right, questions. What do you do when it's when do you know it breaks the trend? I said that already. Professor, isn't there a tool on TradingView to draw the stages? Tony, I don't know. Maybe? I have no idea. Far right earbuds. Let's break 15 to the moon. It has to break 1557 and then it's gonna go. Let me just tell you there. If it breaks 1557, remember we talked about this on the live a few weeks ago. Jivo is on a knock boom right now at the 15. Once it hits it one more time, gone. Who knows where the hell that's going? Last question. Join the group. It's on your YouTube bio. I'm really bad. Hazriel. Everything you need. The link is in my bio. Go to my IG. The link is right there. Click that. It has everything there. Professor, is this the Elliott wave? similar to it. $8.10 currently. Oh, you're good. You're good, baby girl. Can there be a knock knock boom on a bigger scale like this on a chart? Yes, there will be. Ooh, on IG, thank you. You're welcome. Do you have lessons on crypto, Professor? Sloppy, bro. All my trading content is the same for crypto. I got forex people, I got options people, I got crypto people. All my content is universal for all three because it's straight trading, bro. So there you go. Where are your support resistance line, Matthew? I don't need them right now. Professor, how do you learn this? Um, my content, it's all free. Link is in my bio. Everything is there. You can also come to this virtual seminar. July is booked, by the way. For those people coming in July, we're done. Please, July is done. Stop asking. August is filling up, and then September. I got people signing up for December. People taking a whole week off from work. Do you use these stages with the 1 minute while scalping? Yes, Scala. Yes. To the moon, Guzman. Guzman, I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. Go to tab. Yep, my bio. What's knock knock boom, Raphael? That's a whole other lesson. Professor, can you check out the ticker FTFT? Okay. FTFT. Oh no, I promised Tracy SPY. My seminar students always get priority. I forgot. Sorry, Tracy. Tracy's the best. Tracy, the SPY is on an infinite up. The SPY just won't come down. The SPY is on an infinite up. So let's see how good my students are. Let's see how good my students are. All right, ready, everybody? I got a question for y'all. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. What stage is the SPY in right now? Tell me. And what stage is it going to next? Let me know. Let's go. You're welcome, Tracy, of course. Tracy's the best. I said that already. Where do you suggest starting from sketch? Sloppy, bro. DM me. DM me. Just DM me later. SPY stage 2, stage 2, stage 2. SPY to the moon. Guzman, don't become like Danny No Kizzy about the moon. Oh my God, look at the comment section. Giselle Perez. Giselle, you're... Madam Giselle, señorita, hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tú haces? Don't flood. You're flooding the chat box, miss. Y'all, I see the number 2. Stop. Stop it. Y'all are flooding the YouTube chat box. I love it. You guys are hysterical, bro. You know this is getting saved, right? They're going to see these comments. Y'all wilding in the comments box. Do I need to send... some of y'all need to get sent to the dean's office? Principal, professor? No. I don't want to be a principal. Even when I own the school, I'm going to have someone control it. I don't want to run the school. We are on stage 2. So, now here's the question. All right, very good, everybody. Very good. How do we know when we're on stage 3 for the SPY? Tell me. Let me know. Yes, Danny told me no kizzy means no cap. That's what I call Danny because he's always in my comment box saying no kizzy, professor. I don't like that one. I like no cap. Professor, I like when you speak Spanish. Okay, Salas. Tranquilo, baby girl. Currently, stage 2 will be going into stage 3. Yes, give me the attention. Mark, take it easy. You asked the question. We letting you know. I love your lives. Thank you, Miss Perez. I've never even seen you on my Instagram before. What? You love my lives? Consolidation. Very good, everybody. Very good. Does this look familiar? What stage is this, ladies and gentlemen? Does this look familiar? Does that look familiar? What does that look like right now behind me? The SPY on the daily chart. Look what it's doing, guys. Yo, I'm loving this microphone. I'm loving this microphone. All right, let's see the comment. I think YouTube is better than IGTV. Giselle, Miss Perez, I agree. I agree. I love YouTube. This is how my seminars look. This is literally how they look. I like it. I can see the comments. It's clean. I prefer it like this. We're eventually moving over to YouTube. There'll be no more IG Live eventually. I don't know when that's going to happen, but eventually there'll be no such thing as Instagram Lives. It'll all be here. We love the microphone too. I love the microphone. We going down, baby boys. So, next question, because you guys are doing a great job. I love it. I love my class of 143. I think it says 143. I see so many. I see 140. I see 341. I know there's not 300. I'm not there yet on YouTube. I see 341. I see 40. I see a whole bunch of numbers on my screen. I don't know how many people are watching. But point being, next question. How do we know we're going to be in a stage 3? How do we know we're going to be in a stage 3? What are we waiting for to get full confirmation? What is it? Let me know. God damn, the questions move so fast. That's what I was thinking when I asked you about the SPY. You got it, Tracy. Of course, we're going down, baby boy. I hope not. YouTube is clear and Mike is great. Thank you, Jen. How are you going to go live with us on YouTube? Like this. Someday, give me a oh yeah. Oh yeah? IG Live is lit though. I understand, but David, this is where it is. 143 people are watching? Nice. Professor, can it skip a stage or will it always follow the pattern? Eric, great question. The market is manipulated. It could skip a stage, but you don't want it to. You want it to follow a proper order. But they're manipulating it. It's good for everybody. We don't want it to crash and burn. We want it to keep going. Touch support. Can tell break of the support. Breaking of the resistance. Very good. Once the high keeps going, we're going to keep going. But if the resistance get hit and we come down, we'll have full confirmation, stage 3. But I don't think the Fed is going to allow it. I think they're going to keep pumping this bad boy up and up and up. That's just my opinion. I know it sounds bad, but we want full market manipulation, everybody. We like to be lied to. Human beings don't want the truth. The market is fake. It's all fake. It's not real. It's all being artificially inflated since, well, actually forever, not even just the COVID. For years now, since Obama's time, this was being inflated. Big time. But guess what? Enjoy the gains. Who's complaining? Enjoy the ride, because a lot of you guys don't know how to short yet. Once it's on stage 5, Klinger. There's no such thing as stage 5. Professor, where do you get your haircut from? Edison, from a barber. Is this getting saved? Yes, Ms. Guzman. I swear to God, Guzman. I will throw you in my pool in Puerto Rico when I see you. Yes, the YouTube is getting saved. How long can the trend last in Qatar before it goes down? Andrea, nobody really knows. It's going to keep bouncing. So boom. We can't handle the truth. Break up the train. I know, people can. This is why people like me, and then there's people that don't like me, because I tell the truth. I tell you straight. You're not going to make $1 million at the end of the month. You're not making $50,000 like this. Can you make 50? Yes. This has been a very good month for me. I've done very well this month. I'm not going to say the number, but it's been a good month. Point being, it's all possible, but with realistic expectation. Like bring down. I know on the internet it says you can make a fortune. Eventually, you can make a fortune. Go watch my live scalp trading videos with real money. Yes, it's possible, but time, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. Woo. Did you see the Coca-Cola market went down? Coca-Cola? I don't trade Coca-Cola. Professor, lives are always fire. Thank you, Jorge. Stage 5 is like the fourth dimension we can't comprehend. Technical analysis stays short on Friday, Monday. You can't decide that. Woo! Like one of the guys coming to the seminar is options, and he's gonna learn to master my strategy and use it for options, and I think he'll just make so much money off of it. God bless. I just like teaching. How can we confirm it's going on like a sidestep green candle confirm? Just the trend, Dre, the trend, guys. The trend. Again, go watch my trend videos. And I think Dre Gonzalez, are you Andrea? You're coming to the seminar in July. We're going to talk about it. Check Ada, please. Later. Stage 5 is when you can't figure out if it's stage 2 or 3, so you can just add from them. All right. Any questions, guys? So I basically covered market stages. I think that's a wrap. And Richard's going to go live right after I end my live. So, any questions? Giselle, Coca-Cola lost $4 billion only today because of CR7. What the hell is CR7? Guys, I don't care about Coca-Cola. I'll be honest with you. What stage do you think Snap on right now? You guys learned it. Now go figure it out, goddammit. Any questions? How long have you been trading and why scalping over the others? I like it most too. Just wondering. I'm good at it. It's a very simple answer. I'm just good at it. It's easy for me. And I can teach it easily. Einstein said if someone can't explain something simple enough, they don't truly understand it. I'll repeat that. Einstein said a famous quote. If a person can't explain things simply enough, that means they don't even understand it completely. Boom. That's really what it is. How am I able to explain it so well that you guys, 150 I think, are here, and thousands follow me. I think I hit 10,000 today. I don't even know. It's because I can simplify it. Now, when you guys go watch other people, and I know a lot of you signed up for a whole bunch of group chats, not just Day Trade Today, and you don't fully understand because people send me screenshots of other group chats they're in, and they talk about me. Like, yo, guys, if you can't understand it, go check out the professor. And people from other group chats are being sent to me because they're seeing how I simplify things. Point being, I just simplify it because I understand it. Like, people want me to teach options. I don't understand options. It makes no sense to me. So I can't teach it to you. I wish I could learn it. I've tried to, so I could teach it to you. It doesn't make sense. I can only teach what I've mastered. And if I haven't mastered it, I can't teach it. That's it. You're welcome, guys. No worries. Professor, can you do ETC? Ms. Perez. Thanks, Professor. You're welcome, Med. You're legit. How do I join your sessions? Do you have a calendar? Raphael, DM me seminar ready. I'll send you the whole year calendar of my virtual seminar. I'll send you the whole year. I have it. So if you want it, because people are booking all the months they can get off of work, because my thing is very serious. Like, you have to be here. You have to be at the full 4 days. You have to. There's no excuses. If you can't teach it to a kid, you don't know it. Exactly, Ruben. Exactly. Sacre bleu. You got it, Dan. I love that your content is so simple. Can't wait for your seminar. Ravina, I'll see you. Yes, you're coming. We got Canadians coming to the seminar. Professors, in Passe 1, we're interested in getting in with large amounts. How do we not see it? You would expect it to see large amounts of volume, which would move the stock, no? Huh? What does in Passe mean? What is this Sacre Bleu? Jen, Sacre Bleu is old French. It means, God damn it. You're welcome, guys. Are you going live with Richard? If Richard wants me to go live, I'll go live with him. All right. Final questions. You're welcome, Kyle. Kyle, I'll see you at the axe throwing. Let me know. All right, people. That's a wrap. I'm going to let Richard go live. I promised him. So any final questions? The lesson is over, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions? You're welcome, Salez. You're welcome, everybody. Any final thoughts? I'll let you guys go. Professor, we need a group chat for the professor. What are we going to do from Thursday to Friday? Chris, you're funny. Thank you, Anna. I appreciate you. You guys are the best. Are you going to convert the seminar into in-person, or is this thing... Guzman, virtual. COVID, baby girl. Remember my first seminar was in New York. I had people fly in. Sebastian, top trader, Pablo, they came. Now they work for hedge funds. They quit their 9-to-5s. I had it, but COVID is a problem. You said uptrend is important. How do we use it to support? We're done, baby boy. We're done. Sophie, Professor, in passe. What? What does in passe mean? All right, guys, that's a wrap. Professor, you to go. Thank you. Richard will. Yeah, Richard on his Instagram. We'll go over there. I'll tell him he can go live. I'm done. All right. And that's a wrap. Good night, everybody. Guys, Richard Garcia Official. I'll see you guys on Friday, the entries and exit shows. Have a great time trading. Again, be careful with the SPY. Support resistance levels, trend lines. The SPY is a very precarious situation right now. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, all right? Don't get caught in a crazy trade. Like if you saw my, I posted a story at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard, and literally what I posted is what happened at market opens because I saw where it was going. Because people DM me saying, how did you know that? How did you know it was going to come down? I said, just look at the charts. The charts can't lie. The news will lie to you. Your toxic relationships will lie to you. The charts will never lie to you. Nor will I ever lie to you. I'll always keep it true because I'm not here to get thousands of followers. I'm here to teach. That's all I want to do. I just want to teach. All right, guys. Have a good night, everybody. I will see everybody on Richard Garcia's Live. I'll see everybody on Richard Garcia's Live. Bye, everyone. Oh, I always forget to end the live. Okay, how the hell? I always forget to end this.